Hey y'all, this is Julie. I'm at a house here in Dike, Texas. We just got through finishing this patio cover. This was something that we added to this house. They had it built, beautiful house, and we added this. You can see everything matches the black. It's gorgeous. She wanted this so when they got out of the pool that they could change and stuff in there. So I thought that was really neat. If you didn't notice, I'll let you look at this pool area. It's the shape of Texas. So you could say they have some Texas pride. Isn't that cool? And that's the patio that we built. And also we did this gate. Well, it's not a gate, it's a fence to hide the this balm over here. But yeah, we built the gate, did it out of cedar pickets, framed the post so it will hide that ugly thing right there. But I wanted to let you see how this looks, how pretty it is from this side. They're gonna get rock and everything, but isn't that gorgeous? Love it. So pretty. You know, we're gonna be over here next door behind the shop. We're putting a deck, so we're gonna be doing that, and I'll show you that, so keep watching. Okay everyone, I'm walking over here to where we're doing the deck job. So I'll show you what's going on over here. So she brought in these two trailer homes. I think one's for her mom and her aunt, and we're going to be putting an 8-foot wide deck in front of these two, connecting them with a rail and steps. So you can see we got the posts and everything set. We got the wood laid. The guys are setting the post and the concrete. But there's going to be an awning on that one, and there's going to be an awning here so they don't get wet, because this is all they had right here. So we're going to make this look beautiful for them. So this is what we're doing right now, is digging the hose and setting the post. So stay tuned. Okay everybody, now we got the deck going here, we got it going over there, we got the awning here, we got the ramp going down here. This is what it's looking like. Hey Six. What y'all doing? Huh? What's he doing? Hi. I'm trying to stay quiet. They're just... What was that? Hey, babies. Hi. Let's see that little one. Hey, babies. School bus probably gonna scare him now.